Hello everyone, myself Dr. Varshini from Sayash Ayurvedic Hospital, Hyderabad. Are you struggling to sleep at nights? Do you find yourself staring at the ceiling while the whole world is asleep? If yes, then you are not alone. Insomnia affects a lot of people, and for sure, you no need to rely on any kind of sleeping pills. According to Charaka Samhita, Nidrayatam Sukam Dukkam Pushti Karshim Balabalam Vrishita Klebata Jnanam Ajnanam Jeevitam Nacha. That means happiness, sadness, nourishment, weakness, bala, there is the strength, weakness, and sterility, virility, the life, and even the death. Everything depends on this nidra. That much importance is nidra to our body. Stay with me till the end. I'll share you some time tested Ayurvedic remedies which will help you to sleep like a baby again. Ayurveda, the ancient system of healing, has powerful and natural solutions to restore back your sleep cycle. Before we dive into the solutions, let's understand the root cause of insomnia according to Ayurveda. According to Ayurveda, sleep disturbances are mainly due to imbalance between the three doshas, that is mainly Vata, Pitta, and Kapha, especially Vata and Pitta, like overthinking, stress, improper lifestyle, poor diet disrupt our internal balance and leading to sleeplessness. So now let's talk about some powerful Ayurvedic remedies which will help you to bring back your restful sleep. A glass of warm milk with a pinch of nutmeg and saffron will help to calm the nervous system and promote deep sleep. Daily massage with Brahmi Taila, warm Brahmi Taila to your scalp and foot helps to reduce vata and promotes a good sleep. You can try this for a week and you'll find the difference for sure. Ashwagandha, Brahmi, Jetamansi are few Ayurvedic herbs which will reduce your stress and improve the quality of your sleep. So you can prepare a tea with these herbs and you can drink it before going to sleep. Like one and a half hour before going to sleep, you can try with this recipe. Along with these remedies, Ayurveda emphasizes the lifestyle changes in order to get a restful sleep. Follow a fixed sleep schedule. Going to bed, waking up every day in the morning on the same time helps to regulate your sleep cycle. And avoid like your screen time, like blue lights and all disrupts the melatonin synthesis, which will help to not to get proper sleep. Meditation and breathing exercises. A simple anuloma viloma exercises at least for 10 minutes before bed will helps to reduce the stress and provides calmness and gives you a restful sleep. Light and early dinner. So eating heavy meals or late dinner disrupts your digestion and even disrupts your sleep. Ayurveda recommends to have a warm dinner by 7 to 8 p.m. to allow your body to rest properly. So if you are ready to reclaim your nights and if you want to get up refreshed, start incorporating these Ayurvedic remedies into your daily routine. Remember, sleep is the foundation for good health, and Ayurveda offers holistic ways in order to get a good and better sleep. Visit our Sayash Ayurvedic Hospital where we provide personalized Ayurvedic treatments like Shiro Abhyanga, Padabhyanga, Shiro Skanda Padabhyanga, Sarvanga Abhyanga, Shirodhara, etc. treatments which will help to restore your sleep naturally. Experience the wisdom of Ayurveda firsthand. Thank you.